Let's learn colors. Here we go!
Red, red, vibrant red, red car driving by. This is red, just for me.
Red, red, vibrant red, red ladybug polka dot. This is red, just for me. Can you say red?
Pause! Red is bright, red is fun. Great job learning, well done. Red, red, red today. Let's keep learning along the way. Blue, blue, look around. Blueberries, nice and juicy. This is blue. What a sound.
Blue, blue, look around. Blue backpack, ready and packed. This is blue. What a sound. Can you say blue?
Pause! Blue is calm and blue is cool. You are learning, that's the rule. Blue, blue, blue today. Let's keep learning as we play. Yellow, yellow, shining bright. Yellow sun in the sky. This is yellow, full of light.
Yellow, yellow, shining bright. Worker bee flying by. Oops, I have black stripes on me. This is yellow, full of light. Can you say yellow?
Yeah! Yellow's warm, yellow's bright. You are learning, what a sight. Yellow, yellow, yellow today. Let's keep learning along the way. Green, green, look and see. Green broccoli standing tall. This is green, like a leaf.
Green, green, look and see. Green frog, ribbit, ribbit.
Ribbit.
This is
Ribbit.
green, like a leaf. Can you say green?
Yeah! Green is fresh, green is new. Great big clap, we're proud of you. Green, green, green today. Learning colors every day. Pop, pop, hill.
Purple, purple, look and see. Purple cabbage growing big. Purple, purple, look and see. Purple butterfly, what a sight.
Color purple, my delight.
Can you say purple?
Ha, ha.
Purple is bright, purple is fun. Great big clap, well done, well done.
Pink, pink, look and see. Dragon fruit, big and juicy. This is pink, lovely sight.
Pink, pink, look and see. Pink flamingo, cute and stylish. This is pink, lovely sight. Can you say pink?